Let's do a quick little tour of apartment number 202. We're at 931 Euclid Street here on the second floor. And this is the entry. Little coat closet here, fireplace here. This is the living room. Typically the entertainment center goes on that wall. I'm waiting for the carpet cleaner to show up, and then we're going to have the janitorial in. The painter's done his touch-up. So the dining area lamp can get changed at your discretion. The little patio area there has a palm tree view, and the rest of the apartment is really nice. There's plenty of cabinetry for putting things away. And then the kitchen is this long galley kitchen. Plenty of counter space for cooking. 2 ovens. Stainless steel dishwasher. Big double sink. And again, the nice view window. Electric 4-burner cooktop with a upgraded hood. Nice granite. All the way up to the full backsplash. Easy to keep it clean. Stainless steel refrigerator. Really nice one, plenty of space. And the important thing here is that before we go tour the bedrooms, this is where the laundry is, in the hallway. Stacked washer and dryer inside the unit. Kind of a nice item. Guest bathroom. Full bath, lots of counter space. Guest bedroom. Now, this is an electric heat apartment. There's our view on the front of the building. Palm trees and lots of light. Now, let's take a look at the master. Oh, before we go down the hallway, big linen closet right here next to the laundry, and there's a lot of closet space here for his and hers, or as we jokingly say, hers and hers. And then so there's extra heat in here. Hi, I'm Keith, and this is the shower. It's a big shower. I do not recommend doing jumping jacks in the shower, but it's big enough to where you could if you wanted to. And sink with lots of counter space and a second mirror over there. So, thank you very much for coming for a tour. This is 931 Euclid Street, apartment number 202. And this is a preliminary walkthrough before I have it finished getting cleaned, and I just wanted to give a few people a chance to see what it looks like. And of course, it's going to be your home, so if you want to change out the type of or style of lamp, you certainly can, and my people can install it for you. So this is a very big wall here on the right side. Really nice for good art. And this is the sunrise side of the building. So this is going to have lots of morning light. So thank you for coming out for a tour. And give me a call if you're interested.